Thank you so much for watching and clicking in today's video. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so happy you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy to my 8 years old sweet boy. I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel for lots of cleaning motivation and tons of home organization. I upload new video every single week. In today's video, I am going to show you 2 super easy, almost instant dinner ideas. Like I said, I am a full-time working mommy, so I'm always busy. And as a mom like me, or even if you're not a working mom and you have a busy family, I think this is something that you're probably gonna appreciate, hopefully. I am always looking for ways to make my chore at home easy and fast because I don't have a lot of time. So I hope you stay tuned and watch this video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It does help my channel a lot, so I would really appreciate it if you do give me a thumbs up. And enough said, let's get into the video. So the first meal that I'm gonna show you guys is this beef brisket. I got this from Sam's Club. I got the 5-pounder one, but it also comes in with a 2.5-pounder. And I will link this brisket in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. It is delicious. It's fully cooked, so it's super ideal if you want something quick and fast. Like I said, if you have a busy family, this is one of the best meal idea for you. So all I'm doing here is laying this brisket flat on my baking pan, and then I'm gonna add some water like what it says on the heating instructions, which you'll find at the back of the packaging. And then seasonings are optional. I added a little bit of salt and black pepper, and then I'll just cover this with aluminum foil and put it in the oven. And since this was a big piece of meat, I portioned what's left of how much we normally eat for one meal. And then I'm just gonna throw this in my freezer and pull them out whenever we feel like eating brisket again. I decided to eat this brisket with rice, so here I'm cooking rice. But my son asked for mac and cheese, so I'm just gonna throw one of the frozen mac and cheese in the microwave, which takes about 3.5 minutes, and the dinner should be ready very soon. Look at that, guys. Dinner is ready in 15 minutes. I use about a quarter portion of that whole brisket, and if you're gonna heat the whole brisket, obviously it's gonna take a little longer, but it's still quicker than cooking this brisket raw, so I still really highly recommend this. It's delicious, it's tender, and you can also use this with a sandwich like a ciabatta roll, a little bit of barbecue sauce, and it's perfect, guys. Good? Oh yes, I am. Just as bad. Just as bad. Just as bad. The second easy meal idea is penne and meatballs. It's kind of like spaghetti and meatballs, but I like the penne more, so I'm using penne. And then I got these Italian style beef meatballs from Sam's Club as well. If you want to see the link for this, it's also gonna be in the description box below. And then I'm also gonna be preparing these dinner rolls. It takes about 12 minutes to bake this, so super fast and easy. This whole dinner took me about 30 to 35 minutes to get ready, which is a really good time for me. Everything is fully cooked, the sauce, the big meatballs. The only thing that really took time is cooking the pasta, which took about 20 to 25 minutes. Tip to getting your dinner fast is to multitask. So while I'm waiting for my water for the pasta to boil, here I'm preheating my oven to 325 degrees and I'm gonna bake my dinner rolls for about 12 to 15 minutes. Now that my water is boiling, I'm gonna add the penne, and while I'm waiting for that to cook, I'm gonna start with the meatballs and the pasta sauce.
Kinda simple, kinda wishful about things. And you're kinda simple, but like a pistol, you fire. Sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna come back 'cause you'd rather stay out with another. Talking to strangers and make out spontaneously. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about the drunk nights, bragging in the glory. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Oh, I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You do it right. Hold me tight when I need it. And you always like what I like we know each other. But sometimes you get under my skin like a lover, and sometimes you don't wanna.
How to know if the pasta is already cooked? Here how it is. If there's no more white in the middle, that means it's already cooked. Or you can throw it on the wall, and if it sticks on the wall, that means it's already cooked.
About your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. Don't you get it? You're such a nice guy when you're not just talking about yourself and the way of how you dwell. I get it. Now I'm so tired of hearing all your stories about your rich friends traveling Mercedes. You're such a
If you like and enjoy this video, just give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this for you guys.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love?
I hope I gave you some ideas and inspire you. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!